In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by locating an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Now select those three lines at the top left corner. Hit Clean at the top and select Clean next to Junk Files. Then hit Clear in the pop-up to confirm your choice and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!